Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome back. If you've been here before, I'm Beautiful Love Forever, aka Tay. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to prime my eyes with my Juvia Place Concealer in 24. And I'm going to set it with my ABA Setting Powder in Deep Peach. And I'm just using a lighter shade of concealer just to make the color that I'm going to put on my lids pop just a little bit more. Next, I'm using the Violets eyeshadow palette by Juvia Place, and I'm going to use that lavender shade in the palette and put that in my crease as well as all over my lids. Also, I'm really trying to grow my channel, so if you're watching and you're not subscribed, please make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell and you click all to be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Now I'm using the Glamlite Icee Blue Raspberry eyeshadow palette. And I'm just going to take that light blue shade and put that on the corners of my eyes as well as underneath my eyes right along the lash line. Now I'm using my House of Lashes eyelash glue and my Ioni XL Wispy Dramatic eyelashes. Now to make sure there's no gap showing where I put my eyelashes, I'm going to use my Sephora eye pencil. And then I'm going to use my Essence Waterproof Mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm going to use the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. Next, I'm using the Everyday Humans Rose from Above Mineral Sunscreen. Now I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mattifying Primer. To correct the dark spots on my face and neck, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer Orange Corrector. Before I put my foundation on, I'm using the Be Pure Blurring Pressed Powder Medium Deep. And I'm just using this to keep the oils down, keep my face from getting oily, and help it to stay matte throughout the day. Next, I'm using the Believe Beauty Skin Finish Foundation, the color Sable. And this is a new foundation that I picked up, though it's been out a while. I just picked it up recently and I really like it. It provides medium to full coverage and it's affordable. So if you're looking for affordable new foundation, I would definitely pick this up. It feels good on the face. It's not heavy or cakey. For some more coverage, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer in Deep Chestnut, and I'm just putting this all the places where I put the orange corrector at. To highlight, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in Medium Dark Warm. And I'm just going to put this all the places where the light will naturally hit my face. While that's sitting, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronzer Palette in Dark. And I'm just going to use the top shade to contour my nose and go around my jawline since it's lighter. And I'm going to use the other shade to bronze the other parts of my face. Now I'm using the AB8 setting powder in Deep Peach again, just to set where I had that concealer at. For my all over face powder, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Powder Foundation in the shade 440. Now I'm using the Juvia's Place Blush Duo Blush. This is a Volume 4 palette. And I'm just going to take that top shade and use that for my blush. Next, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion 3D highlighter. And I'm just going to use the middle shade for my highlight. for lips, I'm using the LA Girl Lumilicious Lip Gloss in Chill and the Juvia's Place Lip Liner in Brownie. To set my face, I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. Hope you all enjoyed this lavender and light blue eyeshadow look. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the bell and you click all so you'll be alerted of all my uploads. I upload a new short every Monday and a new video every Friday. Also, please comment, like, and share. I would love to hear from you all. If you have any suggestions when it comes to makeup looks, please let me know so that I can do them. Also, everything I use will be listed in the description box as well as all my social media handles. And I will see you all on the next one. Make sure you take care of yourselves. Bye.